morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Hitesh Vijay sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiners, and my batchmates. I am Khushi pursuing the BTech from University Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota, Rajasthan. I am here to present a seminar presentation on analysis and modeling of flexible manufacturing system. What is FMS? A flexible manufacturing is an automated machine cell consisting of a group of processing workstations interconnected with automated material handling system and controlled by integrated computer control system. Next slide. Basic components of FMS. There are three basic components. First, workstation. Second, automated material handling and storage system. Third, computer control system. Coming to next slide. Coming to first type, workstation. Type of workstation found in FMS. First, substation. Second, load and unload station. Third, machining station. Fourth, other processing station. Fifth, assembly. Next slide. Coming to second part, material and handling system. Functions. Random, independent, movement of work parts between stations. Second function, handle a variety of work part configuration. Third function, temporary storage. Fourth, convenient access for loading and unloading work parts. Fifth, compatible with computer control. Next slide please. Coming to third part, computer control system. It consists of a central computer and a microcomputer controlling the individual machines and other components. The central computer coordinates the activity of the components to achieve smooth overall operation of the system. Next slide please. Types of FMS. According to the number of machines in the system, there are three types. First, single machining cell. Second, flexible manufacturing system. Third, flexible manufacturing cell. Next slide please. First part, single machining cell. It consists of one CNC machining center combined with a parts storage system for unattended operation. Completed parts are periodically unloaded from a parts storage unit and raw work parts are loaded into it. Next slide please. Flexible manufacturing cell. It consists of 2 or 3 workstations, practically CNC machining center plus a part handling system. The part handling system is connected to a load-unload station. Next slide. Flexible manufacturing system. It has 4 or more workstations connected mechanically by a common part handling system and automatically distributed computer system. Next slide. Coming to layout of FMS. First layout, progressive or line type. Second, loop type. Third, ladder type. Fourth, open field type. Fifth, robot center type. Next slide. First type, progressive or line type. The machines and handling system are arranged in a line. In this system, part progress from one workstation to the next in a well-defined sequence with no backflow. Work always flow in unidirectional path. Second, in this part, usually move in one direction around the loop with capability to stop and be transferred to any station. The loading and unloading station are typically located at one end of the loop. Third type, ladder type. The loading and unloading stations is typically at the same end. Sequence to the operation, transfer of parts from one machine tool to another is in the form of ladder steps. Next slide please. Open field type. The loading and unloading stations is typically at the same end. The parts will go through all the substations such as CNC machine, coordinate measuring machine and wash station by the help of AGVs from one substation to another. Next slide. Robot-centered type. Robot-centered cell is a relatively new form of flexible system. One or more robots are used as a material handling system. Industrial robots can be equipped with grippers that make well suited for the handling of rotational parts. Next slide. Flexibility in FMS. Flexibility in manufacturing means the ability to deal with slightly or greatly mixed parts, to allow variation in parts assembly and variation in process sequences, change the production volume and change the design of certain product being manufactured. To be flexible, a manufacturing system must possess the following capabilities. First, identification of the different production units to perform the correction operation. Second, quick changeover of operation instruction. Third, quick changeover of physical setup of fixtures, tools and other working units. Next slide. Coming to application of flexible manufacturing system. First application, metal cutting machinery. Second, metal forming, assembly, joining, welding, gluing, surface treatment, inspection, testing, etc. Coming to my references. These are my references. Any question?
What is scheduling and sequencing in FMS?
Okay. Scheduling is a process of adding start and finish time to the job order dictated in the sequencing process. Sequencing in turn is defined as getting the order in which jobs are to be run on a machine.